Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2018 Toyota Highlander SC all-wheel drive, blower motor replacement, or just blower motor. Take it out so you can clean out the pet food from the blower motor, because that happens. So 3 screws, 8mm, or if you want, maybe a Torx bit, maybe a T15 or T20. It looks like even a flat blade screwdriver might work on this screw. The light's a little bright, sorry. It's just underneath here. So much blackness. This is the cover. Got 2 fingers. The customer's. You got those 2 pieces facing the firewall. Oh, another piece. You got 4 tangs to release. Right there. There. You just simply pull down. Turn the light on. So yeah, as you're looking at it with this camera, you're just going to pull it down to release it. So 4 of those, 2 of those. Sorry about the shaking. So right in there. Put our screws in. They're all started by hand, and we'll just zip them up. Ooh. $8mm swivel. Plug in, tucked out of the way. Push the tab to release. That is it. That is removing and replacing your blower motor. 2018 Toyota Highlander and other model years, I'm sure. Good luck to you.